Today, I'm reviewing Instant3d.ai, an AI copilot for generating 3D assets from text prompts or images that creators can use in tools like Blender and Unity to speed up their workflows and reduce manual modeling time by turning ideas into 3D models in seconds. Instant3d.ai offers text to 3D and image to 3D generation, so you can describe what you want or upload a reference image and receive a detailed 3D model that can be exported to formats like .glb, .fbx, or .obj for use directly in game engines and animation pipelines. The platform includes an online 3D viewer and editor, AI character generator, and auto remesh optimization to refine meshes for smoother outputs, plus continuous weekly feature updates based on user feedback and the latest AI advances, making it accessible for beginners and experienced artists alike. Use cases span game development, product visualization, AR/VR content, and rapid prototyping, where traditional modeling could take hours. Instant3d.ai can generate detailed assets in less than a minute, helping teams create content faster. A major benefit is how it lowers technical barriers, letting non-modelers produce usable 3D assets without deep Blender or Unity skills, though models may still require fine-tuning for production quality, depending on complexity and intended use. However, not all feedback is positive. Some user reviews report issues where the model generation doesn't always work reliably or fails to output models consistently, suggesting that performance may vary based on load or other factors. Overall, Instant3d.ai is a promising AI tool for creators wanting to quickly generate 3D content for Blender, Unity, games, and visualization work. But like all AI 3D generators, it's best paired with human refinement and testing to ensure final asset quality.